This cut flower, Alstroemeria, is a cut flower that is going to last for a very long time in your vase or in your floral arrangement. It comes in an array of different colours, from white to orange to yellow to red, and I absolutely adore it, especially when I'm using it as salt and pepper in my floral arrangements or displays. It is a flower used if you want to eliminate competition in your life. And let me give you a scenario. You're at work and the person sitting opposite you is highly competitive with you and you want to eliminate that. Well, invest in Alstroemeria because it's going to get rid of competition in your workplace and certainly that ego that floats around in the air at work. So consider Alstroemeria. It is a flower that is very effective and it's going to give you the result you're after. So I hope you've enjoyed today's tip.